Hello, my name is Mikko. In this video I'm introducing you Suokonen manufactured hot asphalt milling machine MAC-500. So this machine is used as one machine of a asphalt remixing process. In practice it means that old asphalt which have spores is heated up to 200 to 250 degrees with the grill. And then this machine is attached to a standard asphalt paving machine. And this machine is crushing from 2.5 to 5 centimeter thick layer out of the old asphalt and making the bottom flat and level. The first crusher is doing the main crushing, and the side crushers, they are crushing as well, and they are moving the material to the center. So the old asphalt gets into the center and from there it's going back to the paving machine, and the paving machine levels it flat again. And after that there is another paving machine and a truck, and they are adding a new asphalt on that remixed asphalt. So it is also an asphalt recycling machine. And let's have a look of the machine itself. So it has its own power unit. It means that we have the diesel and the hydraulic pumps and everything what is needed to power the hydraulic driven crushers. And all the functions, as you can see, there are a lot of hydraulic hoses and hydraulic functions. All the functions are operated through this Scanreco remote control panel. So we can adjust the diesel RPM to have the right RPM in the crushing elements, and then we can adjust all the hydraulic movements. We have height adjustment in every corner, and also tilting and lifting up the elements. And these side elements are zoomable, like you see that is a cylinder. They can be zoomed out, and for the transportation they are zoomed in, so we have a reasonable transportation width. And let's have a look on this side about the power unit. So we have about 100 kilowatt Volvo diesel, having all the AD Blue system, AD Blue tank and the AD Blue reburning systems. And to the diesel we have attached a pump drive, and then we have separated hydraulic circuits for each crushing element. And with some pumps we run also the hydraulic functions. So let me demonstrate you a little bit. Here we can start the diesel, height of each element, center element, another side element. Like this. It's a pretty interesting unit. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.